Page 45, drill. There's a drill at the top because now we get a new key signature. John Thompson moves through these key signatures really quick. They don't give you a lot of time to practice playing pieces. That's why there's supplemental material, and I haven't covered it as of recording this video. I will someday. John Thompson has other stuff out, but you can also use supplemental books in other, the Faber or the Baker or the whatever, and play pieces in those too. You may not get them in these key signatures. John Thompson advances very quickly. But let's do this. We have an A major scale. It's got 3 sharps. The first sharp is always F, you know that. The second sharp is always C, hopefully you know that. Now the third sharp, it's a G sharp. It's always a G sharp. And those, in that order, that's what they are. And the scale, you start on an A and you follow the patterns of whole steps and half steps. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's it. That's the scale. F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Really what we've done is we take the white keys and we simply add these sharps. So we got an F sharp, a C sharp, and a G sharp. And that's it. It's another way of looking at it. So let's play this. You're using the scale and you're using the chords. And you're going to cross over to get the A. Same pattern as we've had in the other drills, but now it's an A major. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this together slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Repeat. 2. 2. 3, 4, off.